Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy text from LinkedIn. Whether you need to save a job description, quote someone's post, or extract useful information from an article, knowing how to properly copy text from LinkedIn is a simple yet essential skill that can save you time and effort. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account, enter your email address and password in the designated fields, then click the Sign In button. This will take you to your LinkedIn homepage where you can access all the content on the platform. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to locate the specific text or phrase you want to copy. This could be anywhere on LinkedIn. Maybe it's part of a post in your feed, a comment someone made, a job description you're interested in, or even text from someone's profile summary. Take your time to scroll through and find exactly what you need. LinkedIn has a lot of content, so make sure you're looking in the right place before proceeding. Once you've found the text or phrase you want to copy, it's time to highlight it. To do this, simply click at the beginning of the text you want to select, then hold down your mouse button and drag across the text until you've highlighted everything you need. You'll notice the text becomes highlighted, usually with a blue or gray background indicating that it's been selected. Make sure you've captured all the text you need before moving on to the next step. Now that the text is highlighted, you're ready to copy it. There are two easy ways to do this. The first method is to right-click directly on the highlighted text. When you do this, a small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, simply click on Copy. This action stores the selected text to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut to copy the text, which many people find faster and more convenient. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl and C at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command and C instead. Both shortcuts perform the exact same function, copying your highlighted text to the clipboard instantly. And that's it. You've successfully copied text from LinkedIn. You can now paste this text into a document, email, message, or anywhere else you need it by pressing Ctrl V on Windows or Command V on Mac. This simple process makes it easy to save and share valuable information you find on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.